Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. I just want to give you a quick update about what I accomplished so far in regards of the viral newsjacker issue. So if you don't know already, viral newsjacker is stolen from me because I have a plugin that I sell on CodeCanyon. It is called Newsamatic, and they simply copied the plugin, added to it another plugin from another CodeCanyon author called Social Auto Poster. They mashed up the two plugins and they are selling it as viral newsjackers. So yeah, this is not cool and I have to stop this from selling in more copies. So what I accomplished so far is that I contacted Warrior Plus support. So this is my ticket to them. So I told them about viral newsjacker and it is my plugin rebranded and so on, and they responded. This is the only single and only response that I got from them. So today it's 24th October and their response was on 20th of October. My inquiry was on 19th of October. So since 4 days ago, this was their response was 4 days ago. Since then I got nothing from them. They said that I can make a DMCA request and they give me an example of a DMCA request, and since then I sent them the DMCA request. This was 2 days ago and here it is. I will blur my address, the rest you can read it. I say that I state that the plugin that is selling on their market is a rebranded version of a plugin that I have copyright of and which I am selling on CodeCanyon, and yeah, the whole DMCA typical letter. And they did not respond anything since I created this DMCA request. I have to say that their support is very slow, so I'm not sure why, but they seem to respond extremely slowly to my requests. As you can see, 4 days passed and nothing happened since then. So I have to say that before I created the DMCA request, I waited for a couple of days, also contacted the person who created the plugins. His name is Glyn Koski. So I contacted him everywhere where I could find his contacts. Also, this is his website. I contacted him here. I wrote him on Facebook because he's only on also on Facebook, and I contacted him everywhere where he was possible to be contacted, but he did not respond. Since then he is silent, so I don't know what to do next, because I think I will update you guys on what will happen next. So subscribe to this channel to get more updates on this issue. And yeah, until next time, have a great day. I hope this will be solved soon. Bye bye.